All right, we're doing some on-the-site work today. So we're up in the attic of one of the buildings of the old Price Memorial building. So we gotta go pull a cable up. Let's get over there. Gotta climb up all these ladders. Ooh. Turn that off. Stop. Okay. Oh. Whew. All right. Gotta come through here. We gotta go through here. It's 54. Okay. Let me set you right here for a sec. Here. Whew. I see the old brick here. Hell of an old ladder. Okay. Alright. Alright, here we go. That good? All right. Shit. Down in there. All right. Ooh. Hair in my eye, hair in my eye, hair in my eye. Alright, let's get out of here. Bell's gonna ring here in a minute. But yeah, here in the attic, the old brick. Incredible. Really incredible. Whew. Rats, nests and stuff. Alright, let's get out of here. Climb that, put that a little far forward over here. Oh. Alright, get the camera. Oh, look at that. Just a hole. Vacuum. Oh, God. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Yeah, we got all this. Look at this. So I have no idea what that is. I'd love to know. My boss is just right through there. They're hanging microphones. So there's another space over there. It goes up to the bell. We might take a look at that later. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this little quick thing. It was only like 2 or 3 minutes, but get some on-the-job work of pulling some cable through. That's Cat 7A cable. We're using Cat 7 for this. I haven't seen that outside of a data center in a while, so that's cool. All right, that's gonna end it for this. So see you on the next one.